solution. What do you think, Granny Peters?
Well,
Wait! I've got another great idea!
Oh, another one?
We still haven't tried! Okay, the perfect way to cure you-know-what is with a good old-fashioned tongue twister. Now, Gummy, say this after me. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers.
Try it.
Unless they've invented a new alphabet, we've only got 2 more chances left.
We can do it! Those Hicks will not emerge victorious! You still haven't told us what you think, Granny Peters!
I actually can't think of anything. Other than, of course, you know what they say about curing the hiccups.
We already tried that.
Well,